In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow template tutorial for beginners. How to customize Webflow templates. If you're just getting started with Webflow, templates are the quickest way to launch a professional site without building every layout from scratch. In this walkthrough, we'll open Webflow, create a new site from a template, browse for the right design, and then customize it so it reflects your content, branding, and goals. First, open Webflow and head to your dashboard. You'll land in your workspace where you can see existing projects and create new ones. From here, we'll spin up a fresh project. Click New Site. This opens the creation flow. You'll see options for starting from a blank canvas or using a pre-built design. Don't worry about the project name right now. You can rename it later in settings. Choose Template. This takes you into Webflow's template library, which includes free and paid options. Templates come with pre-built pages, symbols or components, interactions, and a style system that you can adjust globally. Now browse for the template that matches your needs. Use categories and search to narrow results. Think portfolio, blog, business, or e-commerce. Open template previews and explore the homepage and inner pages. Pay attention to layout structure, section spacing, and how the navigation and footer are set up. Look for a style guide page. It's a huge time saver for global edits like colors and typography. Resize the preview to check responsiveness on tablet and mobile. If documentation is provided, skim it to understand how collections and components are organized. When you find a design that fits, select it to create your site. With your site created, it's time to customize however you want. Open the designer and start by replacing placeholder images and logos via the Assets panel. Update headings, paragraphs, and buttons with real copy that matches your tone. Adjust global colors and type in the style guide, or using swatches so changes cascade across the site. Edit shared components like headers, footers, and call to action sections once, and they'll update everywhere they're used. If the template includes CMS collections, open the CMS panel, review the fields, and update items for blogs, case studies, or team members. Confirm that collection lists on your pages are pulling the right content. Tweak layouts using the Navigator and Style panel, and review interactions to ensure animation support, rather than distract from your message. Add alt text to images, check color contrast, and refine spacing across breakpoints for a polished, accessible result. Update forms with success and error states and connect notifications. In site settings, set your favicon, default fonts if needed, and basic SEO titles and descriptions for key pages. When you're ready, click Publish to push a staging version live. Test every page, link, and form, then iterate. Congratulations! You've launched a Webflow site from a template and customized it to fit your brand.